If you're running a dental group, I can tell you what your billing department looks like right now and why it's losing you tens of thousands of dollars a month. You've got 3 to 6 people processing claims manually. They're good at their job and they work hard, and they're still the reason you're waiting 90 to 120 days to collect money that you already earned. I'm going to show you how you can cut that wait time in half, give your people a chance to focus on work that's rewarding, and reduce error rates so that you can trust everything gets billed correctly the first time it's issued. I'm going to walk you through exactly how we do this, the audit, the build, and what it typically costs versus what it saves. But first, I want to make sure you understand why this problem exists in the first place, because most group practice operators I talk to have accepted it as inevitable. It isn't. AI and automation have been the dominant conversation in businesses for the past 3 years. You've probably sat through a demo or two. But here's who that conversation has been aimed at: tech companies, startups, e-commerce brands, the businesses that live online. Nobody has been seriously talking about dental group operators, not with a solution that fits how your business actually works. The automation agencies that exist are chasing clients they can find on LinkedIn and Twitter. You're not there. You're managing staff across multiple locations, dealing with payer contracts, handling denials, and trying to keep your revenue cycle from strangling your cash flow. Here's the actual problem. In a 10-dentist group, your billing team is doing the work that is almost entirely automatable, and nobody has built them a system to do it. Pre-authorization requests submitted by hand. Denial follow-ups done by phone, one claim at a time. ERA posting that requires manual reconciliation. Insurance verification that someone runs the morning of every appointment. Every one of those tasks can be automated, and at your scale, the cost of not automating them is significant. Xray has been building workflow automation systems since 2020, before ChatGPT, across manufacturing, financial services, nonprofits, and regulated industries where the consequences of errors are serious and the volume of manual processing is high. One of our clients, a life science manufacturer, was processing every single order manually, 30 or more times a week. The errors were adding up and the delays were costing them cash flow. We automated the full pipeline. The result? 80% reduction in invoicing, 75% reduction in order processing time. Claims that used to take days, now processed in minutes. Your billing department has the same problem they did. Think about what happens between the moment a procedure is completed in one of your operatories and the moment that money hits your account. How many people touch that claim? How many systems? Here's what working with us actually looks like. We start with a workflow audit, 2 or 3 hours with your billing manager. We map out what actually happens. Where are the manual steps? Where do claims stall? From that audit, we identify the highest value target. In group dental, it's almost always the same 2 places: pre-authorization and denial management. Those 2 workflows alone, once automated, typically free up 8 hours a week or more and accelerate collections by 30 to 60 days. Then we build. We don't replace your practice management software. We don't ask your team to learn some new system from scratch. We connect the tools you already use, your PMS, your clearinghouse, your communication platforms, and make them work together automatically. So what does this look like in dollars? A 10-dentist practice doing $10 million in annual revenue typically carries $800,000 to $1.2 million in accounts receivable at any given time. Every day that money sits uncollected is a day you're financing payers' cash flow instead of your own. Cutting your average collection cycle from 100 days to 60 days frees up real capital, $200,000 to $400,000 in cash that's available to you sooner. Xray's retainer is a flat $15,000 a month. In the first year, most group practice clients recover that cost inside of the first 90 days, through faster collections, through denied claims that now get followed up on automatically. After that, it compounds. Here's the actual risk: the cost of your competitors doing this before you do. Group dental is a scale game. The groups that win are the ones that can grow, without proportionately growing their back office headcount. If your billing operation requires 1 coordinator per 2 or 3 locations, you've got a scaling problem. Automation breaks that ratio. This sounds complicated to implement. For you, it isn't. We handle the technical build. Your team has 2 or 3 touch points: review, approve, done. $15,000 a month is a significant commitment. It's also less than the fully loaded cost of 1 billing coordinator, and it does the work of 2 or 3 of them, without errors, without sick days, without turnover. If this landed, here's what you do. Book a 45-minute discovery call with our team. No deck, no pitch. We ask you about your current billing workflow, your locations, your average collection cycle, and we tell you honestly where we see the opportunity and what we build. If it's not a fit, you walk away with a clearer picture about what your revenue cycle is and where it's losing money. There's no obligation past that first conversation. The groups that will own this market in 5 years are automating their back office now, while their competitors are still hiring their 5th or 6th billing coordinator. Click below to book your call. Let's go get that money you're already owed.